Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. So today we're going to be doing my very first unboxing of Boxy charm. I'm super excited because I've been wanting to get a beauty subscription for the longest time, but I just couldn't make up my mind on what to get. Then I finally decided, you know what, I'm going to get Boxy charm because I've noticed on several occasions that Boxy charm almost always gives you full-size products, and it's always at a value of $100 or more. So I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna get Boxy charm because right now, to me, it seems like it's the best. So if you guys want to see what I received for January's box of Boxy charm, then just stick around and keep on watching. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and start off the way I normally do my makeup, and I normally start off with my eyebrows. First thing and foremost is always my eyebrows. The product that they sent this month was from IT Cosmetics, and it's the Brow Powder Universal Brow Pencil, and it came in the box just like this. I thought it was really cute. Now I guess the concept of this brow pencil is that it's supposed to be universal, meaning that a lot of people can get it, and then Boxy charm did come with this cute little thing that has all the information about the products that we did receive in the box for this month, and it gives you the prices. Now this brow pencil, which looks like this outside of the packaging, is worth $24. So already this brow pencil is already more of the value of the box that you received. So basically I got this on sale and everything else for free. So this is what the brow pencil looks like. Get it to focus. There you go. And it does come with a little spoolie right here at the end, and then the top part right here is the little pencil part, as you guys can see. Now for me, this shade was a little bit light. I did have to build it up consistently and over again. I'll leave the clip somewhere around here for you guys to see to get the depth that you see right now. I do like it. I do think that it could probably be universal for everyone. I can see someone with lighter hair using this as well because, like I said, when I first was applying it, it was pretty light and I had to build it up. The next product that I'm going to talk about that came in my Boxy charm is from Dr. Bryant. This is the first item that I've ever owned from this brand. I've never tried it, and this is their No Pores No More Illuminizer Primer, which just looks like this. It's this really pretty blue, I don't know, packaging. It almost looks like a moisturizer packaging versus being a, primer packaging. And then this is worth $38, which I think is an average price for a high-end primer. I actually really like the consistency of it. I used it twice already, mainly because every time I get new products, I just can't wait. So I have used most of these products before I made this video. I feel like it left my foundation looking more flawless, and given this is a couple of hours ago that I've done my makeup, so I really like it, and I'm very happy that I got it in my Boxy charm and I was able to try it because I probably wouldn't have picked it up otherwise. The next item we're going to go ahead and talk about is the eyeshadow palette. Now this eyeshadow palette, which just looks like this, is from Crown Pro, which I thought they only made brushes, but I guess they do make eyeshadow palettes, and this one's their Glam Metals. So this is what the outside packaging looks like. On the back it's got this really cute guitar, and then when you open it up, the mirror is also a guitar as well. So this is what the palette looks like. So as you can tell, it's mainly shimmers. This is literally the only matte shadow in the entire palette. So I did use this on my eyes today. If you guys can tell, it's pretty simple. I was going for a simple look, but I guess it's like a rock theme because I could see this kind of, this is Rock 2018. So this is really cute. I am happy to have this in my collection. And then this palette does retail for $25, which is about an average size or average price. It's almost kind of like the Kylie Jenner, kind of reminds me of the Kylie Jenner packaging, for her shadows, but I really like it. I like the shades. I don't think that this is beginner friendly because most of them are kind of metallic-y, shimmery shadows, and most beginners will have think that it's too intense and have a little bit of trouble using these. But the next product that I got in my Boxy charm is a face palette, and this is from Pure Cosmetics. This says it's a Dreamer, Anyway, Dreamer Bronze and Bright and Cheek palette, which the front packaging is very sleek, and I really like just like simple, sleek packaging like this. I think it's so fancy looking. I feel like it's so fancy looking. And then if we open it up, this is what it looks like. Aren't these shades just really pretty? I'm trying to hide my light right there. So yeah, that's what that looks like. I absolutely love the shades. And then this bronzer right here, which is their Mineral Glow bronzer. I actually already have, and I really like it. And then the blush and the highlight, as you can see, are amazing. I absolutely love them. I'm really happy that I received this. And this retails for $34. So yeah, thank you. The last product that I got was for the lips, and this is from Grande Cosmetics, I guess. This is what the box looks like, and it's a, let's see, Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. So this lip plumper is infused with Volub and something acid. It instantly improves lip volume within 3 to 5 minutes while hydrating dry areas. Results may vary. So this is actually worth $27. I've never heard of this brand before. It is what I am wearing right now. It feels kind of like it feels like a cross between a lip gloss and a lip stain. So this is the packaging outside of the box. That's what that looks like. It's a really pretty gold sleek thing, and then if you were to take this cap off, it's just this, or like that. It's kind of like a rubber thing, yeah. And then it's got a button on the bottom to push the product out. I did have a little bit difficulty applying it, just because it's not like a lipstick where you could just kind of like, you know, put it where you think it's gonna be, or you know, where you want it to go. It's not gonna come out and be there. So I thought I was gonna get a lipstick. I was kind of surprised to get this because I did see the little sneak peeks on Boxy Charm's Instagram showing that a Girlastic, I think it's the brand, lipstick was going to come in the box, but I guess it did say this was one of our combinations, so I guess all the other products were the same, and the only thing that varied was the lip. But this, like I said, is worth $27. So in total, everything is worth a lot more than what we, you know, pay for it. I only paid $22 for my Boxy Charm, and I got all of these products that exceed that price tag. So I am very happy and very satisfied that I got Boxy Charm as my subscription box. If you guys get Boxy Charm, go ahead and leave some comments down below and see what kind of lip product you guys got, because I'm pretty sure that's the only thing that's different. I'm really interested to see what else everyone else got. So anyways, you guys, that basically completes today's video. I hope you guys truly enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below on what you would like to see next, and please leave me some comments on what you guys received on your Boxy Charms if you guys are also part of the Boxy Charm family, because like I said, I'm really interested. And yeah, that's basically the end of this video, you guys. I hope you guys truly enjoyed it. Again, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are already subscribed, don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you can get notified when I upload videos, because YouTube has changed and now you have to hit that little notification bell. Well, anyways, you guys, until next time, bye!